Hey everyone, I have a little how-to video on how to make your own camera slider. Here it is right here. There's some 3D printed pieces, some bolts and nuts, a camera tripod, mount, and we use some rollers on the bottom, and we also have a plate here that we printed. We use some screws to attach it to the PVC piping. And we use these screws. You can use any kind of screws, but these seem to work best for me. The trick with these though is to, when you're screwing them in, don't screw them in all the way so that you have a little bit of a gap. And I'll provide the link to the 3D printed files in the description. And here's the list of parts that I used. PVC piping, 1/2 inch. We used angle brackets for the corners here. They're 3-way angles, and one piece will be the bottom, kind of where it sits. And then the 2 long pipes are 26 inches, and then the 2 smaller pipes are 3 1/4 inch. And they're bolts and nuts. We used 8mm bolts and 8mm washers. The washers don't go on this side of the pulley, they go on the opposite side, so between the top plate and the pulley, and we use 5 on each bolt. And then we have the tripod mount, which came off of this tripod that I got on Amazon. It's an ArtSize CS20C carbon fiber tripod, and here it is. Here has a little pull arm on it, so you can push it and pull it. And we got screws, the screws that we used, and then the rollers were the 8mm by 40mm by 20mm groove pulleys, and I think you can get these on Amazon. That's where I got them. And I just used some basic tools to hold the washer in place, the bolts, and then I used a wrench to tighten them. And you don't have to go tight with these, just snug and it'll hold. And the most important piece, which holds the tripod camera mount to the plate, is I have it here somewhere. It's a 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch double-sided camera bolt, and you can get these on Amazon as well. In all, I think it cost me around $40 to build this, minus the tripod, of course. You can use any kind of tripod mount that has either a 3/8 inch to 1/4 inch mount. You could do this either way. You can flip it, but I used the 1/4 inch and I screwed it right into the plate, which it fits quite snugly. You don't have to do anything extra. You might have to drill out the hole a little bit, which I did, so that it would fit a little bit easier. But once you drill it out a little bit, it's not that bad. It fits pretty good. But there you go, your own camera slider.